I'm not sure about starting Attention, You, the Underclass.
Yes, we should cut the niceties and get straight to sacrifice yourself for the good of the hive.
Right. And by hive, you mean...
I mean future of the hive. I mean country. Are you dissatisfied with me? Perhaps you would like to fire me.
I don't think that would be necessary.
I thought not. So, this is what you call a baby.
Yes.
It looks delicious. May I eat it?
Jolly good. Afraid not.
Perhaps you would like to fire me.
I don't think that would be necessary.
I thought not.
Because of the rise in campus infection rate, we had to impose some mild restrictions.
Love it. What have we done?
We've locked them up.
I see no problem. The larvae flourish when confined to their hexagonal pods.
Doesn't that make the universities rather prisony?
Shut up, Hancock.
Sorry, fair point. I'll stand behind the plant.
Well, I had no idea you were so smart and sophisticated. And you're female?
I'd reproduce through asexual parasitic DNA replication.
Close enough. God, you're sexy. Let's hear something to get us in the mood.
U-turn if you want to.
Oh, not that one.
Right, avoid Spike 17. I'm going to remember that.
What if we treat each city according to its individual needs? I'll go and stand behind the plant.
You're from the north, aren't you, Dom? Durham?
Yes, that's where my pod was stranded. I mean, where my parents are from.
And it's where you went for your eye test that time.
Eye test, yes. I certainly wasn't molting my exoskeleton.
Here, you wee bastard! You skanked my cow, you wee bobag!
Hello, fellow union member. What's he saying, Dom?
Unclear. I will attempt a technique I learned from the Mind Lords of Thark. I mean, YouTube.
Get away from me, you wee shite!
He says you're in the wrong field, and also you ran over his cow.
No! U-turn if you want to!
OMG, it's Margaret Thatcher, my hero.
I'm quivering in fear.
Right. I'm just tucking my shirt into my trousers.
This is so hot. If I had a pulse, it would be racing. I want to kiss her, him, it.
Our only option is an immediate blood sacrifice.
Hancock!
And it should be a virgin.
Hancock!
Not my fault.
Why are there all these small explosions? Are the human larvae popping from their growth pods?
No, it's bonfire night. People are sending up rockets.
That is an inefficient use of rocket fuel. They should send one big rocket to Jupiter's moon Lysithea, where the minerals are plentiful and sweet. So you've decided to let something out of the closet?
Yes, well, anyway.
And your woke god, Gareth Southgate, has been reduced to a confusing sex symbol.
Did someone say confusing sex? Cummings! Traitorius Maximus! You sly, smirking, snitching snotwoggle.
So you have missed me.
Well, yes, a little. Since you've been gone, I've had to do work.
It didn't have to be this way. One more mind meld for old time's sake.
Damn it, Dom. Why can't I quit you?
Yes, Cummings. Clever Cummings. Melt his brains, Cummings.
It's not an insult. Nut is Epsilonian for super girl boss.
Behold,